if you say huwa khayrun, that means you're not stopping. Then continue. Okay? Huwa
uh,
khayrun ihbitu, like this. Got it?
uh,
Yes. Huwa khayr mean you stopped. Okay? And huwa
yes,
khayrun means you did not stop. You ignored this stop. It is allowed. You can ignore. You can read it continuously and you can stop it as well. Okay? But if
uh,
you stop, you will breathe. And if you do not stop, then see, if you stop it, if you say huwa khayr, then you breathe. Okay? And if you say huwa khayrun and you breathe, that means you stopped, but you add an extra noon because it is khayr if you wanna stop, right?
yes,
Got it? So if you say huwa khayrun, then don't stop. Then say huwa khayrun ihbitu. Got it?
yes.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
قال أتستبدلون
قال
الذي
أتستبدلون الذي
هو أدنى
هو أدنى
بالذي هو خير
بال- بالذي هو خير.
اهبطوا
اهبطوا
مصرا فإن لكم ما
مصرا فإن لكم ما
سألتم
سألتم.
وضربت. Mhm. Can you wanna read it one more time?
سألتم
Perfect. وضربت
وضربت
عليهم الذلة
عليهم 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 الذلة
عليهم الذلة
عليهم الذلة
والمسكنة
والمسكنة
وباءوا
وباء
وباءوا
وباء
بغضب من الله
بغضب من الله وغضب من الله
بغضب من الله
بغضب من الله.
ذلك بأنهم
ذلك بأنهم
كانوا
كانوا
يكفرون
يكف- يكفرون
بآيات الله
بآيات الله
ويقتلوا.
ويقتلون
See, until ويقتلوا because
ويقتلون
not ويقتلون, just ويقتلوا because we need to connect noon to the next noon, right?
uh,
ويقتلوا
ويقتلون
النبيين
النبيين
بغير الحق.
بغير الحق.
Now, it is one more thing for you, new thing to learn, okay? We know, you know, when there is qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal, stop, you pronounce the qalqala sound, right? The bounce
Yes,
back sound, like here, wayaq, right?
yes.
When it is stop and a shad on it, like see here, it is a shad on it and stop, right? Then you
Mm-hmm.
pronounce the strongest qalqala in it. The normal qalqala here, wayaq, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And the strongest qalqala here, بغير الحق. How to say? Try.
بغير الحق.
This is called the strongest qalqala. When there is a shadda on it, okay, and stop as well. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. ذلك بما عصوا
ذلك ب ذلك بما
عصوا
عصوا
كانوا
كانوا
يعتدون.
يعتدون
إن الذين
إن الذين
آمنوا
آمنوا
والذين
والذين
هادوا
هادوا
والنصارى
والنصارى
والصابئين
الصابئين
من آمن
من آمن
بالله
بالله
واليوم الآخر
واليوم الآخر
وعمل صالحا
وعمل صالحا
فلهم أجرهم
فلهم أجرهم
عند ربهم
عند ربهم
ولا خوف عليهم
ولا خوف عليهم
ولا هم يحزنون.
و- ولا هم يحزنون.
Okay. Abdul Qadir, that's
Yes.
your new lesson, okay?
uh,
Okay. Have you got the difference between the strongest qalqala and the normal qalqala?
yes.
Okay, you're going to read from here now.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال أتستبد قال أتستبدلون الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير.
One more time this word.
هو خير.
Let me tell you. If you say khayrun, that means you're not stopping, you ignore this stop, okay? Then no need to rest, okay?
Hmm?
Like if you say huwa khayrun, it's no need to breathe here then. Because you read it continuously now, you're not stopping. Then you say huwa khayrun ihbitu. Got it?
Yes.
And if you want to stop, like then you cannot say huwa khayrun and breathe. Then you say huwa khayr and breathe and then ihbitu. Okay?
Uh,
Yes. I mean to say if you say huwa khayrun, that means you're not stopping. Then continue. Okay? Huwa
uh,
khayrun ihbitu like this. Got it?
uh,
Yes. Huwa khayr mean you stopped. Okay? And huwa
yes.
khayrun means you did not stop. You ignored this stop. It is allowed. You can ignore. You can read it continuously and you can stop it as well. Okay? But if
Uh,
you stop, you will breathe. And if you do not stop, then see, if you stop it, if you say huwa khayr, then you breathe. Okay? And if you say huwa khayrun and you breathe, that means you stopped, but you add an extra noon because it is khayr if you wanna stop, right?
yes.
Got it? So if you say huwa khayrun, then don't stop. Then say huwa khayrun ihbitu. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Now you can continue.
وخير اهبطوا
Perfect. Excellent.
مصر مصر
Not
فإن
ra, not
لكم.
ra. Ra, if you stop the double zubbers, then it is ra, right? It's
Yes.
run. It's a stop n at the end, like double fathas, right? Who
Yes.
miss run
مصرا مصرا فإن لكم ما سا ما ما سألتم وضربت عليهم عليه عليهم الذلة
dhillatu mudhillatu.
عليهم الذلة
Good.
والمستكنة
Well, well,
والمس
mas.
والمس والمستكنة
Yes.
وباءوا وباءوا بغضب من الله ذلك أنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله
Tillahi.
بآيات الله.
If the later which is before the name of Allah has a kasra, then you read the sound of the name of Allah lightly. Tillahi, tillahi, not tillahi. Okay.
آيات الله
Yes.
ويقتلون النبيين
Nabiyina.
ويقتلون النبيين بغير بغير الحق
Haqq.
حق
Yes. Good.
بغير بغير الحق
Good.
ذلك بما عصوا بما عصوا 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 وكانوا
Asawa. Asawa. Sad and sin has a
عصوا
difference. Sawa and sawa has a difference, right? Asaw. Asawa.
عصوا عصوا وكانوا يعتدون
Not to. It's yeah. Tadun.
يع- يعتدون إن إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والنصارى والصابئين من آمن من آمن بالله.
Billahi. Again, the name of Allah and the previous letter has a kasra, right?
Yes. من
Billahi.
من آمن بالله
Yes, that was excellent, right?
وال وال واليوم الآخرة وال واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحات صالحات صالحا
Han.
وعمل صالحا فلهم فلهم أجرهم عند عند ربهم
अब 10 मिनट के बाद आ सकते हैं.
ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
Okay, now let me tell you the mistakes, okay?
Yes,
All right. If you stop, you say khair. If you read it continuously, then khairun not khairun, and breathe, okay?
yes,
Okay. maskanatu, maskanatu, okay? Wal
Yes.
maskanatu, not muskanatu, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Whenever you read the sound of the name of Allah in this copy of Quran, so you see if it is green, that means the previous letter has a fatha or dhamma, okay? If it is not green, then do not read it with bold sound, okay? Because all the letters here, the bold letters are in green color, right? So the name
Yes.
of Allah will be green if the previous letter, like that's the indicator, the green color, okay?
Yes.
So if it is not green, like if it has not the fatha or dhamma sign at the previous letter, then you say the name of Allah with light sound, like tillahi, millahi, bismillahi, okay,
Mm-hmm.
lillahi. The when the previous letter has kasra, you say the name of Allah lightly, okay.
All right.
To stretch the sound of a standing kasra, nabiyina, yina, okay,
Yes.
okay. To bold, to read with bold sound, the name of no, the letter, the swad letter, seen has a light sound. Swad and seen are pronounced from the same pronunciation point, okay. Both of
Yes.
them are pronounced from tip of tongue and it touches to the gums of two front upper tooths, okay, like
Yes.
seen and swad, right? But swad has a bold sound like saw, and seen has a light sound like sa. Got it?
Yes.
Bold letter mean to round your lips and pronounce the same sa sound. When you round your lips, you will be able to say saw. Try saw,
Yes.
saw. Okay. So
Yes.
wa'asaw, wa'asaw. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ya'tadun, ya'tadun, not tudun. You don't compare the sound of ta with this sign. This is dal's sign, right? Ta has
Yes.
a sign which is a sound, like ta. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So no compare as well, okay? Tadun. Again, the name of Allah with light sound because the previous letter has the kasra, okay? And
Yes.
here, see, Salihan, han, not ha, okay? It is ha, but
Yes.
if you stop this double, when you stop double fathas, see here, misran. It is misran because there is no stop sign, okay? And if you need to
Yes.
breathe, like if you're reading continuously, قال أتستبدلون الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير اهبطوا مصرا. If you need to breathe, then you can say Misra. What do you do then? You say Misra and then read the same word or the previous word again and continue. That means it is no actually stop here, but I need it to breathe, okay?
Uh.
Again you say Misran fa inna. Got it? So
Yes.
not it is not actually ra, okay? It is run,
Yes.
the N sound, okay? Tanveen, okay? Got it?
Yes.
So here
Yes.
Misran and Salihan, okay? Those are
Yes.
the tanveen, not the alif madda. You can make it alif madda when you stop it, okay? Like accordingly.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.